Nigerians, look at your screen. This is a 2021 Range Rover HSE Silver Edition. If you go to a car lot in Lagos today or any car stand, they will tell you it's 150 million naira tear rubber. But look at this. It just sold on Copart for $20,200. That is about 32 million naira. I have Agent K, my import expert here. Agent K, be honest, is this buyer a genius or did he just buy a property that will sit at the mechanics forever?
He's a genius, and here's why. Look at the steering wheel and the passenger dashboard. The airbags are not deployed. On a Range Rover, replacing airbags and sensors can cost 5 million naira. This buyer just saved that money instantly. And look at this ugly grille on the floor. To a beginner, this looks like a disaster. To a pro, this is a discount mask. It made the auction price drop by $40,000. But in Ladipo, you can fix this whole front end for a fraction of that.
Wait, Agent K, I noticed you told me to zoom in on this sticker. Why?
Because this is where most Nigerians lose money. It says 12 over 20. That means it's a 2021 model year. If you don't know how to match this date to the 2026 VIN valuation system, your clearing agent will overcharge you at Tin Can Port. This one photo is the difference between a 10 million naira clearing bill and a 15 million naira scam bill.
But people say you need a special US license or a brother in America to buy these cars.
That is a lie dealers tell, so you keep paying their 6 million naira lazy profit. There is a no license backdoor. You can bid directly from your phone in Lagos, pay via your DOM account, and ship it home. You just need the right roadmap.
Let's be real. If a dealer lands a Honda Accord for 12 million naira and sells it to you for 18 million, that's 6 million naira of your hard-earned money in his pocket.
Exactly. Why pay for a dealer's new house when you can keep that money? But if you guess your way through Copart, you will buy a flood-damaged car. You need a system.
That's why I created the DIY Import Bible 2026 edition. I'm giving you the exact system I use. You get the landed cost calculator that turns red if a deal is bad. You get my black book of shipping companies and clearing agents I personally trust. And you get access to my private Telegram group, so you aren't doing this alone.
35,000 naira is a small price to pay to save 60 million naira on your next car.
Stop overpaying. Click the link in the description or bio to get the DIY Import Bible right now. I've even put a free case study there so you can see the receipts yourself.
See you at the port.
Peace.